Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 69 Reg Jeep Compass. 69 Reg Jeep Compass. Front parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless starting, rear parking sensors, rear camera. One owner with full service history. Really clean car, you can see. It has leather heated seats, glove box here, very clean car, got like this Jeep emblem in the seats, electric passenger seat as well, electric windows, 4 electric, privacy glass. In the rear it has a power outlet here and a USB. It has Isofix rear seat as well. Four-wheel drive. This is your camera, rear camera. Here, large boot area with inflation kit. Beats audio stereo. So limited is the edition model. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well. Electronic adjustable driver's seat. Keyless starting, you can see by the button there. Vehicle's done 19,493 miles. Illuminated vanity mirror both sides. No, we don't want to connect a phone. Navigation. DAB radio. Apps. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. This is the volume. The radio, this is how you tune. Automatic parking. You can see there. Self-parking, basically. This vehicle has self-parking here. Turn your parking sensors off. Lane departure warning. This, turn your screen on. Touch it to turn it back on. Radio. Media. Apps. Smartphone. Mirroring, you can mirror your device, basically. Phone. Right. Telephone buttons here. Cruise control, speed limiter here. Multifunction steering wheel. Handbrake, traction control, stop start. You can turn off here. This is your different modes for your driving. Auto, snow, mud, sand. Power outlet here. Also has a USB and auxiliary here. Rear camera. It has a memory seat as well, 2 memories. Beats audio stereo. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.